2025 is underway and Softr is already making moves. With a refreshed look, a sleek new website, exciting template releases, and an upgraded building experience. Softr has made it easier to build apps, portals, and tools with their no-code app builder. But the real highlight? Well, that's the redesigned building blocks and container layouts, enabling you to create apps that look modern and professional with much less effort and no design skills required. Hey there, I'm Alex Knowles from automationhelpers.com, and we help companies like yours get set up and automated using industry-leading portals, apps, and integrations. Big things happening over at Softr, kicking things off in 2025 with a fresh new look. The crew have doubled down on making no-code app building more accessible and intuitive, and the new look mirrors the power and simplicity of their platform. Expect a more streamlined experience that helps you build quicker. So let's look at what these improvements actually are. Well, the latest updates have focused on making the building process easier, so you can quickly bring your ideas to life. This has been done not only through improvements to the navigation layout, but also new building layouts and containers, but also through an exciting new template drop. 7 newly improved templates for you to get started quick and easy with. If you're looking to better handle your customer support, the Help Desk template sets up a ready support system where users can submit tickets, track responses, and communicate with your team. No need to design from scratch, just plug in your customer data and start managing support queries immediately. The client portal template has been redesigned to give clients an even sleeker and more impressive experience, as well as an easy to navigate place for them to track their projects and tasks. This secure portal gives clients a seamless way to log in, track progress, download documents, and communicate with your team, all in the one place. With a quick setup and a sleek professional design, you get a ready-built, polished portal with minimal effort needed on your end. Just plug in your data. Personally, I love when everything is structured, formatted, and easy to find, and that's why a team intranet is a game changer. When the right info is clearly structured and easily accessible, teams spend less time searching for what they need and more time getting things done. You need a reliable go-to hub for all your information, and that needs to look good, as well as being easy to use. That's where the Team Intranet template has got your back. Make sure you look at all newly released templates to get a head start on your build, but let's look at the UI and feature improvements. I'm using the client portal template, and straight away we notice there is improvement with regards to the navigation. Previously, we viewed all instances stacked up here at the top in the header section, cluttering your editing space. Now we have this sleek and improved navigation on the side here, allowing us to hide it in view so that we can focus on our element blocks when we're doing the work. Now, this is also for the client. If we access the navigation settings here, we can quickly change the navigation layout, have it compact and condensed on the side there, which I like, able to bring it out, or the popular top or header navigation up here. We're given options, and the improvements continue because we can actually utilize both. And we'll notice that we can actually select what lives where. These layout improvements have continued across the entire Softr platform. We also have new layouts with block containers, which allow you to customize how you visualize your data, giving you more control over spacing, alignment, and overall aesthetic. If we add a block, we can select containers. Now, these block containers make it easy to structure your content in a way that's visually appealing and user-friendly without requiring design experience. It does it for you. For example, you're building an internal dashboard. You can now group related info into neatly contained sections. I've added 2 columns. Then I can include item details in the left column and a chart visualizing and highlighting key data in the right column. Plus, with more responsive design flexibility, your apps and portals will look great on any device, whether being accessed via desktop, tablet, or mobile phone. One of the most exciting feature releases is the new and improved building blocks, which gives you more flexibility and control over how your app looks, feels, and functions. These updates are going to give you much more control over your layout, structure, and data presentation, enabling you to build a much more professional and polished portal, app, or tool with minimal effort required. Now, you can quickly display dynamic data in a clean and structured format using the improved lists and grids. Whether it's a client directory, a product catalog, or a content library, lists and grids keep everything nice and neat. And what makes them even more powerful is the ability to filter, sort, and dynamically update these lists and grids. So if a user searches for a client, well, only relevant results appear. We've also got item details. So if we click on any item in your list, we'll see a detailed view. Thank you, Softr, for item details. Perfect for user profiles, project overviews, or product pages. This block makes key info easy to find without cluttering the main screen. Just click and view. Excitingly, we also have new table and chart options, turning your data into insights. Tables are ideal for structured, data-heavy views like inventory tracking expense, breakdowns, or employee schedules, whereas the new chart options like bar, line, pie, and scatter make data easier to understand and visualize. Whether you're tracking sales, project progress, or customer trends, these visualizations help turn raw numbers into meaningful insights. New chart options are incredibly exciting, especially for building client and vendor portals. But what if you don't need all of the details, but still want an easy way to track your metrics? Well, that's where summary cards come in. These small but powerful blocks pull essential info into bite-sized digestible overviews. For example, you've got a sales dashboard. You could show total revenue, active subscriptions, and pending invoices. In a marketing dashboard, that could be traffic, goals, and KPIs. In a project management dashboard, it might be overdue tasks, upcoming deadlines, and completed milestones. These cards are designed to be visually distinct, so your most important numbers are front and center. And finally, let's discuss calendars. If your app includes event planning, booking appointments, or team schedules, this block keeps everything organized. Instead of relying on external tools, you can now embed a calendar directly into your app. Users can see upcoming deadlines, meetings, or a project timeline in an easy-to-read format. Whether it's a client scheduling tool, an internal event tracker, or a content publishing calendar, Softr now has you covered. With these redesigned blocks, it's now easier than ever to build structured and professional apps using Softr. But Softr has also improved the essential pages, ensuring that they look more modern, professional, and consistent across all apps. The login and account settings pages are now sleeker and much easier to navigate. Users can sign in and update their profiles without confusion thanks to a clean, structured layout. We've also got improvements on forgotten and reset passwords, link expiring and permission denied, and page not found. Broken links happen. Now, they don't have to be a dead end with Softr. The new 404 page includes clear navigation back to your homepage or other key areas, helping users stay on track. And you don't have to do anything for this to be implemented. These updates make sure every part of your app, from login to error pages, feels polished, professional, and easy to use. And as I said, the best part, you don't have to do anything. Softr takes care of the design so you can focus on your building. Well, we're barely 1 month into 2025 and it's already looking exciting. Softr has evolved into a go-to platform for building modern, flexible apps on top of your data and workflows. So what are you waiting for? Sign on for free today at softr.io and bring your vision to life. If you need help setting up your apps or automating parts of your business, then don't hesitate to reach out to us at automationhelpers.com. Our team of experts are offering a free 30-minute consultation, so book yours today.